Imagine waking up to a world where the air is toxic. The sky is black with volcanic ash, and almost every creature you know is gone. This isn't science fiction. It really happened 150 to million years ago. The end Permian mass extinction was Earth's most devastating event, wiping out 90% of species. Land became a barren wasteland, oceans turned into dead zones, and the tropics were nearly uninhabitable. But somehow, some animals survived and even thrived. Among them were a group of ancient amphibians called temnospondyls. What made them so resilient? And could their survival strategies teach us something about our own future? Stick around and let's uncover the science, theories, and mysteries. Fact Quest. Global trivia your buddy in uncovering truths, exploring science, and understanding the world. Stick around and we'll uncover the science, theories, and mysteries. Before disaster struck, life on Earth was thriving. Forests were home to bizarre reptiles. The seas were filled with massive predators, and amphibians ruled lakes and rivers. But then catastrophe. Massive volcanic eruptions in what is now Siberia triggered a deadly chain reaction. The planet overheated, oxygen levels plummeted, and acid rain poisoned the land and sea. In the tropics, it was so extreme that most life couldn't survive a tropical dead zone with almost no animal life. But temnospondyls, prehistoric amphibians, did survive. How? Picture a giant salamander with the bite of a crocodile. That's what some temnospondyls looked like. They weren't just one species. Some were tiny, insect-eating creatures no bigger than a frog. Others, monsters grow up to 4 meters long, as big as an alligator. They had a key advantage: they lived in water. Unlike land predators, who struggled to find food, temnospondyls relied on freshwater prey like fish and insects, which were more stable food sources. Another reason for their survival: they moved. When the tropics became too hot, life on land fled north and south. But temnospondyl fossils show that these amphibians actually crossed the tropical dead zone, which means they could survive extreme heat and return when conditions cooled down. Their fossils have been found in North America, Europe, Russia, South Africa, and Australia, evidence that they adapted to climate shifts while other species perished. What's even cooler, temnospondyls may be distant relatives of today's amphibians, like frogs and salamanders. Just like their ancient ancestors, modern amphibians rely on water for survival, eat a variety of prey, and are incredibly adaptable. Some frogs today can even bury themselves for months to survive droughts, just like ancient temnospondyls may have done in dry periods. Now, here's a thought: what if a similar mass extinction happened today? With rising global temperatures and habitat destruction, could humans adapt the way temnospondyls did? Or would we be wiped out like most species in the Permian? Would humans need to live in underground cities or even move to the oceans to survive? Earth has been through 5 mass extinctions, and life always finds a way to come back. The story of temnospondyls reminds us that the key to survival isn't strength, it's adaptation. They survived Earth's greatest crisis, but when dinosaurs and mammals began to take over in the Middle Triassic, temnospondyls faded away. A reminder that no species dominates forever. This information comes from research by the University of Bristol, published in March 2025. You can check out the full article on ScienceDaily.com, link in the description. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a science mystery. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.